Sean, yeah, you can see there's vast amounts of data out there. I guess the next question that leads to is, where does all that data get stored?
Yeah, this thinking of data being everywhere is so true. You can easily, think about, everything we do creating data, as you've just alluded to. And it would be a very boring podcast if we listed out all of the data sources here for our listeners, and we would undoubtedly miss, dozens of data sources particular to particular situations, Nigel. The way I like to think about it is, let's think about data as knowledge to start off with, and then ask yourself, what is the question here that we're trying to answer, and then go and find the knowledge or the data, to support that thinking. Yes, it's true to say that typically, most organizations will have those relational databases, whether they be CRM, HR, finance, the business applications that are generating that knowledge will be the more likely and the most commonly used data sources for people to turn to. But there are ample other data sources within the organization which may not be so readily known about, but can add value to this idea of creating knowledge and therefore insights. And remember, this value, its data value, is currency, as you talked about. And appending data together to answer that question is so powerful. Now, these other data sources outside of the CRM, finance, could be door entry systems, things like your cameras. So depending on the environment you're in, can all add information to your systems. The key thing here is not necessarily is how much data or where is the data. We assume there's a lot of it and it's everywhere. It's more around the access to that data. Yeah, data access is becoming so much easier these days with the democratized tools that organizations are making available to their users. And I think we believe that's a good thing, but it does come with a set of, I think, cultural processes, not business process, but cultural processes about how you deal with that data and get access to that data, even within your own organization. That becomes so important to the credibility of the storytelling that the data that you have access to will lead you to deliver to your particular end user customer base.